Today I am going to share chicken jhal fry recipe, step by step. Chicken 1.5 kilogram. Cut small pieces. Clean and washed. Mustard oil 1 cup. Whole spice, green cardamom 7 pieces, cinnamon sticks 4 pieces, cloves 7/8 star anise, 1 cumin seeds, a half teaspoon, black pepper 10/12 bay leaf 4 pieces, fry few seconds. Onion 1 cup. Fry until light brown. Add chicken. Stir and fry until color changes. Ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons each. Stir and mix. Chop tomato to large. Salt to taste. Stir. Cover and cook 5 to 6 minutes. Stir after 6 minutes. Lots of water came out from chicken. I don't have to add water. Turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Chili powder 1 tablespoon. Paprika 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Garam masala powder 1 teaspoon. Stir and mix. Cover and cook. Stir. Yogurt, 1/4 cup. Mix. Cover. Very nice color. Green chili 6/8 piece. Garam masala, a half teaspoon. Roasted cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Mix. Cover and cook 2 minutes. Fresh coriander leaf. Stir and mix. Almost done. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.